Hello viewers, welcome to today's show of Chemistry with Secret. On the board here we have a question and it reads, sodium belongs to what period and block on the periodic table? So basically, the question is asking us about two things. One, about the period, and it's also talking about what? Block. Period and block from the periodic table, where the sodium belongs to based on period and based on the block elements. Now, basically, for you to answer this question correctly, you don't need to cram the periodic table. What you need to do is know the electronic configuration of the atom in question. And in this case, we know the atom to be sodium. And sodium has total number of electrons to be what? 11, which we all know. So we are going to draw out the electronic configuration of sodium, and from there we can determine the period and the block in which sodium belongs to on the periodic table. Now let's take a look at the electronic configuration of sodium. It's going to be 1s, 2, 2s, 2, 2p, 6. From here to here, that is 10. And the next thing we're going to have is going to be what? 3s1. Because it's 2 plus 2, that is 4, plus 6, that is 10, plus 1, that is 11. Making up for 11 electrons. And we have followed the Albert principle in assigning this electronic configuration. So now, let's look at it. If you look at the electronic configuration of sodium, you will discover the first energy level is 1, the second energy level is 2, and the highest energy level is 3. So since the highest energy level here is 3, it therefore means that sodium is actually in period what? 3, the third period. So based on period, sodium is in the third period on the periodic table. Now what about block? Now, the block can also be gotten from electronic configuration. As you assign this electronic configuration, the last electron here, it enters into which orbital? It enters into what? S orbital. So since it has entered into the S orbital, we are going to classify sodium as an S block element. That is how simple this is. So stay tuned and watch more of our tutorials and you'll understand better of chemistry. And don't forget to follow our channel on YouTube, Ahura Secret, there on the comment section. Thank you.